Welcome to our quick guide on design mockups. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Here, you'll find features that streamline design management and collaboration. First up, the View mode. Toggle between grid and list view for better navigation. Next, we have status and sort filters to organize your mockups by status, alphabetically, or by creation date. And sharing capabilities. Instantly share mockups with your team for real-time feedback. Adding designs is a breeze. You can upload files in PNG, JPG, GIF, or PDF formats from your computer, Figma, or file library. Our Figma integration allows you to sync mockups directly, keeping your designs up to date without manual uploads. Experience real-time feedback with our design preview feature. Zoom in, search, filter, and assign status labels to track progress. Plus, sync comments directly from Figma and drop pin comments right on design elements. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.